35 people are feared dead and around 20 injured in a road accident in Chenab Valley's Kitswar. 3 injured were airlifted to Jammu. 2 helicopters have been placed into service to shift the bodies and the injured. The incident happened when a vehicle on the way to Kitswar from Keswan skidded off the road near Shrigwari and rolled into a gorge this morning. A poetry book entitled Yaifaba Ayuk by Laidan Lakpam Shruti Kumar was released at Hojai Girls School, Assam. The function was organized by Laidan Lakpam Publications. Ichema editor Dr. Puritsaban Binarani was the chief guest and the retired Chief Medical Officer Dr. Sano was the guest of honor of the event. A 2-day program on capacity building and input distribution on scientific cultivation of high-yielding rice varieties under rain-fed condition for doubling farmers' income has kicked off today at Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Imphal West, ICAR Research Complex for Northeastern Hill Region, Manipur Center, Imphal. District Forest Officer Jiribam, under the aegis of 17th Bana Mahotsava 2019, organized tree sapling plantation at Harinagar, Lamlen, Gaukhal and Laisabithol. Around 15,000 tree saplings were planted as a part of the program. The Manipur Forest Department today organized 17th Bana Mahotsava celebration at Peace Ground, Chuchampur District. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh was the chief guest of the district-level program, where a host of ministers and MLAs were also present. The non-subsidized LPG cylinders are set to witness a drop in prices from today. The Indian Oil Corporation has decided to cut the prices of non-subsidized LPG cylinders with effect from today. The price cut in non-subsidized cylinders, as said by the IOC, is around 100 rupees 50 paise per cylinder. The prices of non-subsidized domestic LPG cylinders in Guwahati from today will be around 681 rupees 50 paise. Ruling Bharatiya Janata Party became early starter, leaving others far behind by declaring names of candidates for all the seats in the three-tier panchayat even before the formal notification was issued by the State Election Commission. The state has 6,111 seats of Gaon Panchayat, 419 seats for Panchayat Samitis and 116 seats for Jila Parisad. A formal notification has been issued today inviting nomination for all these seats, and the election will be held on July 27th. Nagaland has decided to start a variant of the National Register of Citizens that neighboring Assam is updating. On Saturday, Nagaland's Home Commissioner R. Ramakrishnan issued a notification for setting up the Register of Indigenous Inhabitants of Nagaland, aimed at preparing a master list of all indigenous people and checking the issuance of fake indigenous inhabitant certificates. Japan has resumed commercial whaling after 31 years, meeting a long-cherished goal of traditionalists that's seen as a largely lost cause. Whaling boats embarked on their first commercial hunt since 1988, when Japan switched to so-called research whaling, but will stay within the country's exclusive economic waters. Japan's 6-month notice to withdraw from the International Whaling Commission took effect Sunday. A powerful blast hit Kabul's diplomatic district during rush hour today, sending a plume of black smoke over the Afghan capital, with tens of injured taken to hospital and ambulances ferrying still more. According to reports, the sound shook the diplomatic office building, with sporadic gunfire and the wail of ambulance sirens piercing the air.